So we're testing out the Ace Pro 2, like we're like 6, 7, 8 inches from the lens. Magkakaroon tayo ng comparison video sa ito yung lens ng Ace Pro 2 natin na walang adapter. So bumili ako ng Pulus na +2 diopters for close-up vlogging. So hindi ko na kailangan. So, gagawin natin ay ikakabit natin siya. So, tingnan nyo, oh. So, lumilinaw ba ang itsura ko? Tingnan natin kung ikabit na natin siya. Okay, so yan, nakakabit na. And this is the quality you get from it. So, as you can see, dito sa gilid, medyo out of focus and blurry. Pero pagdating sa gitna, as you can see my face, looks pretty good. So, yan. Tanggalin natin. And that's how it looks. Medyo soft. Nasa softan ako sa ano. Tapos ikabit natin ulit. So, here you go. Does it make me sharper? Hahaha. So, titingnan natin yung quality ng ano, ng Ace Pro 2 gamit yung lens na sinasabi ko kanina. So, sucker sa. So,
What am I doing?
Video natin.
Salad na may kimchi na
What?
may salad with cucumber and pepper and sesame oil.
Iyon, kung ano man yan. Does it look good? Let me see in the comment sections.